Hi everyone, I am Ankit and in this video I will tell you about the types of hackers. So, what is hacking? Hacking is the act of gaining unauthorized access to a computer system or account in order to compromise digital devices and networks. Although hacking is not always a harmful act, but it is frequently associated with illicit conduct and data theft by cyber criminals. Who is hackers? A person who is adept in networking, programming, and scripting, or who has a thorough understanding of computer systems and how they work. They attempt to conquer an issue by utilizing their extensive knowledge. An individual expert who investigates the computer system for weaknesses. Now, there are 8 types of hackers: white hat hackers, black hat hackers, grey hat hackers, script kiddies, green hat hackers, blue hat hackers, red hat hackers, and eighth, state or a nation sponsored hackers. Now, talking about white hat hackers. A white hat hacker is a computer security expert who use their abilities for good rather than evil. Ethical hackers is another term for white hat hackers. Ethical hackers attempt to identify vulnerabilities or weaknesses in a computer systems and networks in order to protect them from hacking attacks. They are responsible for securing the organization's system and network. Black hat hackers. A bad guy who is an expert in a computer and a network security is known as black hat hacker. They are in charge of creating malware which is used to gain access to these systems. They are the polar opposite of white hat hackers, who for personal gain or profit compromises the security of computer system or a network by identifying system or network weaknesses and vulnerabilities. They circumvent security standards for a personal gain in an unlawful manner. Now, talking about grey hat hackers. A grey hat hackers is a computer hacker or a computer security expert who may sometimes violate laws or attempt to ethical standards but does not have the malicious intent typical of black hat hackers. Grey hat hacker is a combination of both white and black hat hackers. They breaks the security of a computer system or a network for the sake of fun, attention, or to improve security. Script kiddies. A script kiddie is a non-skilled person who utilizes other people's tools and script to get into a computer system or a network. They are usually unaware of the inner working or a coding. Script kiddies are people who are less talented or experienced who launch attacks using pre-built tools and scripts. The screenplay kids do it for a sense of vengeance or a brag to their friends. Blue hat hackers. A hacker who operates outside of an organization is known as blue hat hackers. Generally, organizations engage blue hat hackers to breach their network and computer security, as well as the security of the software products, in order to test for faults and vulnerabilities before to release. They are much like the script kiddies. They are beginners in the field of hacking. If anyone makes angry a script kiddie or he and she may take revenge, then they are considered as the blue hat hackers. Red hat hackers, the experts who launch aggressive attacks against black hat hackers, are known as red hat hackers. Red hat hackers' intentions are excellent, yet they employ unethical methods to implement black hat hackers and evil hackers. Red hat hackers mostly attack Linux-based operating system or Linux distributions. They are members of a group that strives to prevent crimes, or we can call them red hat hackers. There is major difference in the way they operate. Now, talking about the green hat hackers. A green hat hacker is a new way hacker who is still learning the ropes. They vary from script kiddies in that they have a different goal. Green hat hackers are interested in learning about hacking and security mechanisms. They are those who hack into computer systems and networks in order to learn more about them, and they are interested in learning hacking related skills. Now at eighth one, state nation sponsored hackers. Hackers created by the government agencies, small companies, or political parties are known as state nation sponsored hackers. They attempt to target the infrastructure of the other state or nation in order to gain access to their systems and networks. They are highly paid government workers. So, this is all about the types of hackers. Thank you.